Let me show you all screen lock methods that we have available on the Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro. So first of all, we're gonna open the settings, and then in here we can scroll down a little bit to find fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Let me just enter my password in order to continue. And then over here we have a couple of biometrics, so we have the fingerprint sensor and the face recognition feature. Both of them can be easily set up over here in this menu. There is also the option to unlock with Bluetooth device, so if you have a Xiaomi Bluetooth device like a smartwatch or something, then you might be able to set it up in here as well. Of course, besides that, we need to set up the screen lock password to be able to use these biometrics. So in this case, we have these password types. So we have a PIN code, which can be 4-digit PIN code, 6-digit PIN code, or a custom PIN code. You can also set up a normal password where you have numbers and letters and special characters, and you can also set up a pattern. So pretty standard options. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.